Oh, everyone hear me? Everyone hear me?
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Good
Halo sir,
morning.
halo sir, halo sir.
Fast,
Dengar, dengar
this
ya.
is recording. Okay. Anything you can interrupt me. Clear? Okay, this is chapter 3 and it's not 4. This is the
Clear.
chapter 3. Yeah. Pointer and array based list. Okay, you learned before in your programming subject. Pointer, array based list. Yes or no? You learned before? Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so this chapter is talking about the pointer. In data structure, we use a lot of pointer and pointers. So what is the pointer? Actually, it's a variable, okay, that declares used to point to a location, a memory block, okay, by memory blocks, okay. So you can see, normally if you declare a variable without the asterisk, okay, without the asterisk or star, okay, but for pointer, you need to include the star to make this variable is a pointer. Okay, example, integer p pointer p, char pointer ch. Okay, so all this is a pointer. Okay, pointer. Okay. So when you see this character declaration means this variable is a pointer. Okay, that's it. Okay. So when you see the what is called asterisk operator, okay, this is the address of the pointer. Okay, indicate the address of the pointer. Okay, so remember this pointer is used to point to an address. To an address. Okay. How to get the address? Let's say if you want to the pointer point to an address, so we can get the address of the variable using this what I call unary. Okay. So it's like this. Example is like this. Okay. Example is like this. So to access the member of the pointer, we can use dot. Okay, dot. Okay, to access the member access up, we can use the arrow. Okay, never mind, like this. Okay, this is the member of the class. To access it, we can use arrow. This is the syntax. Okay, never mind. You just going on this one. Later we go to the example. Okay. So if the constant value, if the pointer point to the value, okay, is called none. The pointer is point to nothing. Why somehow we need to set the pointer point to 0 now? Okay, because we don't want it to point any blocks in the memory. Okay, so if you accidentally do some deletion process, it may delete some block of the memory. It may cause the system crash somehow lah. Okay, so that's why we need to put it into 0. If the pointer point to the zero address, we call it 0 address, actually is considered as pointing to now. Now. In other words, it's pointing to nothing lah. Okay. How to make the pointer point to nothing? You point to now or point to address, zero address. Okay. Oh, sorry, address 0. Okay. So to create an object, okay, to create a new object, point to the pointer, we can use new. Let's say if you want to have new object to be pointed. So we can use new, create the object. If you want to remove the object from the memory, we can use delete. Okay, delete. Okay, delete. So this is new operator purposely to create a new object or allocate an address block, address block. Okay, to a variable. Okay, like this. New like this. Okay. Okay, to delete, just delete the variable pointer, delete, and like this. Okay. So this is just a syntax. Next is how to do apa nih? Okay, this is telling you the danger lah. Because if you accidentally compare, accessing the, because using pointer, you can accidentally accessing any part memory block in the system. Okay. So it's very dangerous lah. So it can do anything lah. That's why the virus, how the virus can access, can make our system crash, because it using the most basic one, pointer or a pointer to access any block in the most critical part in the system to make harm to the system. So next is dynamic array. Okay, dynamic array means dynamic. Dynamic means it can be chainable. It's not fixed. The size of the array is not fixed. Okay, it's not fixed. Okay, it can be 10, 2, 5, and so on during the runtime, program runtime or software runtime. Okay. So for static array, okay, initial, you can let's say you initial an array to 100 elements. Okay, that means it's fixed. So what's the limitation if you fix the size? So if you use only part of the size of the array, and so the rest unused can be wasting the what I call the memory lah. Okay, it means you occupy 100, but you only use maybe half, 50. So the another 50, okay, nobody can use it, and then it may cost the what I call insufficient memory for others application. Okay. So why we don't want to use statics? Okay, because it's not flexible lah. Let's say if your system memory is less, for example, okay, but you cannot create it static. Let's say your memory only can create for let's say 50 elements. Okay, but in your system, when you run your system must create fixed size array 100. So when this happens, okay, the system will abort your application from running because of insufficient memory. But actually, you only able to use, let's say, 30. Okay, out of 30. 50 out of 30 out of 50. Okay. So the solution is what? Okay, we make it dynamic array. That means is to solve the problem. And also solve the problem for potential memory waste lah. Okay, that means let's say you use 30 and then you create 30. You use 50, you create 50. Okay, it depends on the size of the memory. Okay, this is a good solution lah. Okay. So how to create a dynamic? This one. Okay, you can create a dynamic new. Let's say if you want to use 10 and then you create new, the new array, integer, 10 elements integer, and then assign this new 10 integer to a p pointer. P pointer. Okay, let's say you want to use 20 and then you can declare new 20 integer. Okay, it's flexible. It's flexible. Like this. It's look like this picture. Can you see the picture? You see the picture? This is pointer. This is integer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Okay? 5 elements. 5 elements. Okay? List 2. Okay? Remember, if the index list 0 is the first one, index list 0, see my cursor, is the first one. Index list index 2 is 0, 1, 2 is the third one. Okay, so when you do this process, the first elements becomes the value become 2, 5. Okay, the third value become the third elements becomes value 7, 7, 5, 7, 8, 7, 8. Okay, 7, 8. Okay, function pointer apa ini ya? Okay, never mind. Okay, next is we can use the pointer through the as a parameter of a function. Nampak? You learned before, okay? How to pass the data into the function through the parameter. We call this parameter. Sini ada, we have 2 parameter here, P and Q. Okay, double is a double value lah. It's a big value. Okay, about maybe 8 byte or what. Integer is about maybe 4 byte. Okay, so if you put star Q, double star Q means this Q is a pointer. So whatever the value assigned to this Q later on in your function, whatever the Q value, pointer value change, it may change the outside the value the value Q outside of the function. Okay. So for this one, because if star and what is called this? Okay. Unary. Okay. Star and unary means this become neutral, become integer p. Okay. Because this is pointer, this is address. What is combined is become neutral, become integer p. Okay, integer p. So this is a normal. It's slightly a normal declaration. That means it's one way. That means whatever you assign the value to the p, whatever the value p change within the function, it won't affect the outside of the value of the p outside the function. Okay. Okay, let's go to this one. This is the code. Integer. That means we have star. we have 5-pointer, 4-pointer of board. Because board, we have 4-pointer of board. So we run this for loop. Okay, is to assign each board pointer to a array integer 6 elements. Okay, array integer 6 elements. So that's why we go to loop for, means this is looping for. Looping for means the each board, okay, has a array integer with 6 elements. Okay. Ini sama juga. Ini tens integer. Ini lain ini lain lagi. This one we use double pointer, pointer of pointer. You see double star is pointer of pointer. Okay. It can be this one and so on. But in the normal programming is seldom to use double star. Okay. Except we have a very complicated problem that we want to solve. Okay. So we can have double star. They mean array of array. Okay. They mean you own the array. Actually, it's also sorry, pointer of pointer. You own the pointer. Actually, you own a pointer. Actually, the variable is also a pointer. Pointer of pointer. Okay. Okay. You mind? This one, okay, you can go through all this slide. This one, you have to play around. This one, you have to apply the code only. You understand what is it. If you read everything, all this 2-3 times, you won't understand what it's talking about. You have to apply, test the code. Okay, test the code. Okay, you see. First, okay, next. When we want to copy an array, okay, we can have many ways. Okay, copy an array is not easy. Okay, so if we using a pointer, this is what we call shallow copy. Means actually it's not exactly the copy. For example, first is a variable. First is a pointer variable pointing to an array. So let's say you want to have another pointer pointing to the same array of first pointer. You just assign the pointer second pointer to what the first pointer pointed. Okay. Okay, so whatever you change this one, okay, it also affect the others value of the pointer lah. Okay. Okay, next is this is shallow copy. Means it's not exactly the copy. It's just sharing a same array. Same array. 2 pointers sharing the same array. It's look likely, let's say if you can use first pointer to get the value of the array. You can use second pointer get the value of the array that what the first pointer has. Sama saja. Macam dua. Okay. Contohnya kamu ada what I call, kamu ada okay, bapak you provide you credit card. Okay, credit card. Okay, so bapak kasih kamu ada second credit card pergi university. Okay, so bapak kamu time beli di supermarket juga pakai credit card. Okay, kamu student pergi supermarket juga pakai another credit card, supplementary credit card. Okay, whatever you buy everything, semua akan masuk ke account yang sama. That means let's say bapa kau beli RM100, gunakan credit card. So di credit card sana ada hutang RM100. Nanti you pergi supermarket, you pergi beli barang, student, mungkin mau cari keropok. Okay, keropok. Beli RM5. Okay, so next day, bapa you check bill. Kenapa saya beli 100 tapi saya nak punya sama hutang ialah RM105? Because both of you using the same account, okay, of the credit card. So your card is just a supplementary or what? Okay, second card. So this is what it mean lah. Okay, next is deep copy. Deep copy maksudnya actually is it copy the array to two copy macam ni. First satu, the second pointer point to another one, but both the same value lah because it's copy kan. So this is called deep copy. Deep copy array. So dia akan jadi dua. Okay, dia akan jadi dua. It's separate. So we call it deep copy. So memory pun akan double. Memory akan double. Okay? Senang saja. So we can have the pointer. Let's say we have a class pointer object. Inside the object also we can have another pointer. Okay? Pointer of pointer of pointer pun boleh juga. Okay? How to create a pointer elements? We use a class. Kita pakai class. Okay? Nampak? We can use a class to inside the class can have the pointer to point to array. Boleh macam begitu. Okay? And we can have two object point to the same array. Pun boleh. Okay, macam ini. Object 2 equal to object 1. So become pointing to the same array. Okay? Sama. Or we can have each object point to the their own array. Pun boleh. Okay? Many class name. So to create an object, okay, you guna ini, okay. It's stored in the URL, insert, and array. Ini array. Kita cari this example Okay, we'll try find the example array. Okay, mana ni? Example array. Kita try ni example Kita try ni. Mana tu yang kiri? Ni kita try ni. Okay, sama kan? Okay, kita try ini. Using depth. Open back the project. Project 2. Okay. Okay, we try to have an array. We remark this one. Why remark? So that will show the result. Okay, kita save. Compile and run. So nothing. Apa? Nothing. Now we try to do the integer variable. in star board for automatic. Okay, for yeah. Okay, for in raw 0. I mean the looping. This is for loop. Looping is start from 0. So until it will stop until it reach to 4. 4. So the increment, each loop we increment the row by 1 plus. Okay. So we put this more clear board row. We assign every pointer board we assign an array with 6 elements. 6 elements. We can see semicolon, then we trace run, save. Jangan lupa save So we trace run. Apa nih? Oh, sorry. To assign a variable, we need to have this. Arasa. Ya nggak? Betul nggak? Kenapa nih ya?
Sir,
Apa nih? Anyone tell me?
the raw less than 4. Not the raw
equal 4
raw less than 4, not comma.
Oh, less than 4. Sorry. Less than 4. Okay. Thank you very much. Kenapa nih? Integer, in, new. We forget to new. Must new because this is an array is a new memory, new object. Okay, we need to create new. Try run. Yes. So there's no error. Data error. So this one we have to close it before you run to next. Okay. So this one. Okay. So this, okay, in the code you see this is no bracket. Didn't mean this. This also can be like this. Yeah. It can be like this. That means this one for loop is looping this one. Okay, if I write num and 35. So this is different. This is called one loop. Ini line. This is another line. Okay. If you want to include this one to here, to this loop, we need to make a bracket because more than one line. We need to put a bracket. Okay. If you want to put in the same line, and then we can put this one, or we can post one. Paham nggak? Understood? So just telling you. Okay. For teaching, I better put like this lah. So that's you to understand. Okay. So kita sudah run, no problem, error free. So we test it. How to access the value? Okay. We try to use this one. Bot. Check this one. See what happened. Mungkin tak jalan. We tidak assign value. We didn't assign a value. It's showing the address. Okay, so we're using the dot, using this one. So this is the initial value. Okay, initial value. So we try to make it. Yeah. Error. Apa? Try to assign the value of integer lah. J. Okay, so J equal to J. So here it will what I call, this is 0. Show 0. If we put 1, show 2. Okay, how about we put something like special raw? Okay, that means if 0 means this is always 0. Okay, J is raw. This is always 0. We put plus lah. Okay, plus. We try to put 2.
Okay, we'll try to loop it like this. And try to what happened, huh? Okay, get up in. Try to it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if at 1, so you can count now. This is at 1. If this become 1, the second row become 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it will, can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next line 2, 3, 4 until 7. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Correct? Okay, understood? Correct? Any question?
Boleh.
Any question? Any question?
No, sir.
No question?
No.
Okay, let's say we put it more flexible. Integer. What next? About 10. Next. Regular, we try to compose here, see whether it has error or not. Oh, tidak error pula. Okay. Try to change. Thanks. Next. Yeah. Save it. It become like this. Right? If I put 20, So we call this dynamic. Okay? Apa lagi boleh buat? Banyak lagi. So all depend on these two. Okay? Any question? Okay. Can you try this code as your assignment? Boleh tak? Okay, now you see this board, you balik, you try. You try all this. Okay. Because we have num kan. If the num try, you can use the num and then change it to use this one. Because I already put a record, then you know what to do. Try it. You have to try it, else you wouldn't understand what it's about. Okay?
Sir,
Yes.
if I remove the integer pointer board, what will happen?
Ini.
Yeah.
This one.
You
Oh.
remove this one.
Because this is pointer, it's used to point to this one. If you remove this one, this become a normal variable. Normal variable means if this one like this, actually is you assign the value to this.
Oh.
But this is not a pointer. And then this return an address, but this is not a pointer. It can cause your program something wrong. Okay, we try. Something wrong. See, it won't allow you.
Oh.
Because if you put star, this is a board is a pointer. Okay, and then means this pointer only point to the address. Cannot point to a value data. Cannot. It must point to the address. And then this part, it return an address. Look like this. It return an address. This is a pointer. This is a board. It point to an address. So this is the address here. New integer means it will return this address to this pointer. So it's already different. So if you put non-star means it's become a normal variable. A normal variable means it's not a pointer. So the variable it used to keep value. It's not address. You have to remember address and value is different.
Okay.
Even though both you see is a numbers, it show numbers, but it's different. One is a value, one is the address. So in the exam, if I tell you address, value, both different thing. Both is different thing. So be careful.
Okay.
Okay. Any question? Ada question? Ada. Siapa lagi? So try this one. Everything I ask you to try later in the exam, and then possibly it will come out. So beware. Okay. If nothing, then we can stop here. Okay, sudah? Attendance, everything okay? Dapat 39 orang, but the attendance mana kita tengok punya attendance. Kita punya attendance.
Sir.
Kita punya attendance 41 orang. Okay, janganlah. Yang 2 orang sudah hilang. Okay. Yes? Yes, any question?
Yang lain truk tuh tak dapat sign attendance.
Kenapa tak dapat sign?
Dorang punya Selcom, dorang pakai Selcom.
Selcom, tukarlah bikin tempat lain.
Ya.
Okay, Selcom one, if Selcom you connect to the notebook or what, you change the DNS. The DNS problem. It's not the internet problem, the DNS problem. Or you restart your phone, or you restart your modem. Okay, to change the address, you can go to here, troubleshooting, change to her Wi-Fi. Let's say you connect to Wi-Fi. manage. Okay, manage. Actually, this one. Kau tengok ada benda ni kah? Kalau tidak benar ni, you kasih type 8888 ini ialah Google punya DNS. Dia punya DNS problem. Okay, how way to change? You pergi sini, change adapter. Mana dia? Kalau sini, you right click to the Wi-Fi. Okay. And then find the TCP/IP, Internet Protocol version 4. Check property, tukar sini. Okay. It can be like this, or it can be like this. Alamak, hilang pula. 888. Okay. 8844. Okay. Plus. Okay. So, any question? Any question? No question, huh?
Sir,
Yes.
the file in gem file cannot access.
Gem file. Mana gem file? Ada gem file kah? Apa
That
tu
you share early.
gem file?
Yeah. Just now you share in the chat.
I share in the gem file.
Yeah.
Gembot.
Genbot.google.com.
Adakah saya share?
Yes, you check back the chat box. Just now you got
Look.
share.
Dropbox,
Chat box in the Google Meet.
Google Meet. Ini bukan saya share ni. Oh, ini tak mau. Ini saya mau share the whiteboard tapi not success. Not success. Okay. Ini just ignore this one. Just ignore. This is a Google whiteboard. Just testing saja. Okay. So, any question? No question? I put in the Google. Boleh nampak sini ya. Try the code jangan tidur. If you tak mau try the code and I tell you. Ini nanti exam memang tak dapat buat kerja. Bahkan tak dapat answer. I tell you. Okay, thank you.